In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Taco Bell discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Taco Bell discount promo codes. Right here, scroll down until you find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some discount codes that we can use to get the discount. For example, if you want to get this free gift code, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the code that you can use on your next purchase in order to get a free gift on Taco Bell. Going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called Steak Deals, and you have to open it. And right here, we also have some offers that you can use. For example, if I want to get this uh, offer right here. Luke's card trading box for only $7. All I have to do is select get offer right here. And for this one, there is no code required. All you have to do is select activate offer and shop now. And you will be redirected to Taco Bell website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.